Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. Nifty closed at 24,052 rupees 05, but hidden sector gains masked a 0.66% drop. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, I'll reveal which stock moved unexpectedly, why it happened, and all key Nifty levels to track now. The headline: Nifty closed at 24,052 rupees 05, down 0.66% from a previous close of 24,211 rupees 0. Trading in a tight band between a high of 24,157 rupees 1 and a low of 24,023 rupees 7 after opening at 24,068 rupees 0. Technically, the index sits neutral on momentum with RSI 14 at 48.6, but the short-term trend still leans bullish. EMA 9 at 24,115 rupees sits above EMA 20 at 24,033 rupees. Volume looked ordinary versus the 20-day average, and immediate resistance is near 24,168 rupees, while support is around 24,000 rupees. Importantly, Nifty is trading within 2.2% of its 52-week high at 26,373 rupees 2. So this area is a strong historical resistance zone traders are watching. Sector action mattered. Some pockets pushed higher while the index drifted lower, a typical sector-led day, not broad-based strength. Also worth noting at the stock level, Bharti Airtel was just 1.5% from its 52-week high and last visited that zone 3 sessions ago, which helps explain telecom strength versus the index drift. Drop the stock you're watching in the comments. I read everyone. Bharti Airtel opened at 1885 rupees 0 and finished at 1936 rupees 5, up 1.82%, with an intraday high of 1941 rupees 1 and a low of 1885 rupees 0. Previous close was 1901 rupees 8. Why the move? Price action shows it trading close to a 52-week peak. The stock is within 1.5% of its high, and that momentum likely drew attention today. No separate corporate trigger is shown in the data. Technical picture: RSI at 63 is neutral, not overheated, while EMA 9 at 1910 rupees sits above EMA 20 at 1891. Rupees signaling a short-term bullish tilt. Volume ran at 1.05 the 20-day average, so participation was normal rather than frenzied. The key level to watch is resistance at 1956 rupees and support around 1875 rupees. Those are the price zones to monitor tomorrow. Sarcastic note: Bharti sprinted from its open to the intraday high like someone who realized the meeting started 10 minutes ago. Up next is the day's biggest surprise, Dawn T-Blink. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. Apollo Hospitals opened at 8750 rupees 0 and closed at 8900 rupees 5, up 1.34%, hitting an intraday high of 8919 rupees 5 and a low of 8739 rupees 0. Previous close was 8782 rupees 5. Why the move? The stock is flirting with its 52-week high within 0.6%, and that proximity seems to have pushed buyers into the tape. Otherwise, no clear separate corporate trigger is listed. Volume was elevated at 1.42 the 20-day average, indicating stronger participation. RSI at 67.5 sits in the higher range, but still technically neutral, and EMA 9 at 8801 rupees above EMA 20 at 8689 rupees shows short-term bullish momentum. The key level to watch is resistance at 8920 rupees and support near 8700 rupees. Those will tell you whether the move stalls or extends. Sarcastic note: Apollo flirted with 8919 rupees 5 and then pulled back a touch like someone who rings the doorbell and walks off. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Sun Pharmaceutical opened at 1910 rupees 0 and closed at 1942 rupees 6, up 1.1%, with a high of 1950 rupees 8 and a low of 1910 rupees 0. Previous close was 1921 rupees 4. Why the move? It traded very close to its 52-week high, within 0.6%, and the rally showed stronger volume at 1.51. The 20-day average participation was higher than usual. That combination explains much of today's gain. No separate news item is evident in the data. RSI is at 72.3, which puts the stock into overbought territory. In plain English, expect traders to watch for profit taking. EMA9 at 1913 rupees, sitting above EMA20 at 1884 rupees, confirms the short-term trend is bullish. The key levels to watch tomorrow are resistance at 1954 rupees and support at 1875 rupees. Sarcastic note: Sun Pharmaceutical poked its head up to 1950 rupees 8 and then paused. RSI 72.3 reads less like momentum and more like please cool down. Now let us wrap up what matters for tomorrow. Summary: today was a sector-led market where defensive and growth pockets diverged. Index down 0.66%, while big names near their 52-week highs kept buying interest. The common theme was several large-cap stocks trading within a tight distance of their yearly peaks, driving selective strength despite the broader index pullback. Top 2 things to watch tomorrow. 1. How names near 52-week highs behave around their resistance zones: 1956 rupees for Bharti Airtel, 89.20 rupees for Apollo Hospitals, 1954 rupees for Sun Pharmaceutical. And 2. Whether EMA9 vs EM20 crossovers on those charts hold or reverse. If this was useful, like the video, drop your watchlist stock in the comments, and subscribe for more daily market reads. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.